Let's do factorization by grouping of terms. So in grouping of terms, we are given mainly 4 terms. So we group first 2 terms together and the next 2 terms together. So how we do it is, we see what is common in the first and the second term and we take that out of the bracket. So here in these 2 cases, it's x. So then we'll keep this x out and remaining terms in the bracket, which is x plus y. Now in these 2 terms, if nothing looks like common, then take minus 1 out in this case and we are left with x plus y in the bracket. Now these are 2 terms, 1 and 2. Now in these 2 terms again we see x plus y common. We take it out and remaining x and minus 1 we keep in the other bracket. So this is the factorization of the given polynomial above. Now let's look at this polynomial. Now we see the first 2 terms, there is nothing which is common, and in the last 2 terms also. So maybe what we can do is, we can see maybe first and third term we can group together and second and fourth term we group together. So we rewrite this polynomial like this. Now let's take from these 2 terms y out and we are left with x plus m, and from these 2 terms minus l out, again we are left with m plus x, or we can also say x plus m. Again these are 2 terms and we can see both has x plus m common, and we take that out separately and we keep y and l in the other bracket. So this is the factorization of the given polynomial. Let's look at the third example. To factorize it, first we'll have to expand it, or we can say multiply the terms outside the bracket with the terms inside the bracket. So we multiply all 4 terms. Now again because we multiplied first 2, so we cannot factorize first 2. Let's see again first and third and second and fourth. Let's rewrite our polynomial as this. Now let's see, we have a and x common here. So we are left with bx here and ay over here. Now in these 2 we have, I can see b and y common. So we write by and we are left with ay plus bx, which is same as bx plus ay. Again, let's take bx and ay common from these 2 terms and we are left with ax plus by. So this is the factorization of the given polynomial. So as you can see, the difficulty level has increased from the simplest to a medium, and then here we had to first expand and then factorize by rewriting the terms. So this is the factorization by regrouping or grouping of terms.